Hello again, my lovely, and welcome back to my channel for just a quick video for a little Valentine's surprise, including the tea bears that you can either just eat or dissolve in water or in your tea. And they came with my last Kreativ-Box. And so I'm using some paper. I made a cut file actually, but you can take the measurements and do this on paper, I guess. So I cut the file and cut some little hearts at the flaps. And now I'm scoring the paper. So I took the measurements of the back of the packaging of the tea bears, which was 40 by 90, and I made the flaps 60 centimeters, not 60, 6 centimeters, so 9 by 4 centimeters wide, and the flaps are 6 centimeters long. And of course at the base I took 2 centimeters off to in order to give space for the tea bears. And you will see it's not an exactly fitting package, but the way you can fold it in, you'll see it works out that way. So here I'm scoring the fold for the bottom, and as I said, I cut some hearts in there so that I can put a ribbon through, and they overlap as you close, or as I close the little package. So finding some ribbon, and here I'm going to speed up because I'm fiddling with the ribbon to get it through the holes and to actually hold together, but it worked out quite well. So there's my little package and a little surprise for Valentine's. If you like, you can also follow suit and do this if you have the tea bears at hand, because Valentine's is tomorrow already. And here I cut some little ornaments from an Alexandra Renke die, and the other hearts are, I think, from My Favorite Things. A little embellishment. So have a lovely Valentine's tomorrow and take care. Do what you love. Bye for now, and thanks for watching. Ta-da!